Get your 2024 game plan on track like a pro with the Smart Plan Pro Kit, your ultimate success toolbox. Explore the digital diary, planners, posters, ebooks, and other tools that successful people swear by. Embrace the strategies used by the most successful folks, from smart goal setting to TimeBoxing and DeepWork Principles. These tools aren't just tools, they're your secret formula for success. Easily scan QR codes to unlock videos, extra materials, and guidance, making the Smart Pro Kit work seamlessly with your smartphone. Follow the methods employed by highly successful individuals through tools like the Digital Diary, 2024 Planner, Daily To-Do List, Weekly Organizer, Monthly Planner, Smart Goal Setter, TimeBox, DeepWork Principles, motivational posters, inspirational videos, self-help books, and more. Balance your career and family life without compromises. Supercharge productivity and create a fulfilling 2024 with the Smart Plan Pro Kit, your ultimate success solution.